Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Wise account. So basically guys, what I need you to do is open your phone and open the application which is Wise, or go to your PC and open this page which is wise.com, and just like so this page will be open. So how we can finally withdraw the money from our Wise account. Basically, if you have an account already, I will just show you real quick how you can create an account. So click on register, and here you put your email, you put your informations, then your phone number, and after that your password, and your account will be created. If not, you can just use your Gmail account, Facebook, or Apple account. Now let's go back. So how we can actually withdraw? First of all, what you need to do is log into your account, of course, and then you need to exchange the money from the currency that you have on your Wise account to the money on your in your bank account, which is the real one, which is the bank. So for example, for me, I have euro and I want to switch it to Moroccan dirham. So how am I going to do it? I'm just gonna pick here euro, or for example let's say USD, and here I'm going to choose the Moroccan dirham, and here I will put the amount that I want to exchange, and here I will receive the dirham. Now, after this step will be done, you will receive the money in 17th January. So this is the first step. The second step, which is go into your account after that and click on receive money. Here after that, you put your informations, personal account, you put your informations, it has to be legal, everything must be legal, because they will ask you after that for a proof of your ID card, passport, or driving license, and after that a face recognition picture. And after that, if everything was correct, they will send you the money inside of your bank account. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.